I can't believe it, dude. Well, that's the point, dude. Pimp that little boy.
What's going on?
Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey, man. Hey, man. Sorry I missed the game, but Susan's had hiccups for the last 3 days, and she can't get rid of them, and I can't get any sleep, man.
What did you try to get rid of them?
We've tried everything.
You try hanging her upside down while drinking water?
Yeah, I did that for like 3 hours, almost drowned her. Drink the water. Drink it. I can't hold you much longer.
I'm drowning.
Did you try and scare him out of her?
Yeah, I tried that. I think I took 10 years off her life, and I got bruises to prove it.
Jeez. That's so messed up, man. Well, don't worry, man. There's a whole lot of other ways to get rid of them.
Dude, believe me, I have tried everything. Come on. It works. It worked. It's gonna work. Do it.
I used to like lemons.
Hey, Jerry, you got any ideas?
Oh yeah, I've got the greatest method in the world to cure hiccups. I murder people. Right? Right? Because they're not going to have hiccups if they're not breathing. It's just, you know, you just got to put the right amount of pressure on the larynx.
Dude, are you serious?
Oh, I don't know, am I? Okay, I'm going to go meet Susan now. Murder them if they got the hiccups. Cross the throat, don't want to hear the hiccups.
Where'd you meet him again?
Remember that summer I worked at the carnival?
Oh, man.
I kind of want to stop him, but I kind of want to get some sleep tonight.
Poor Susan, huh?